Today I'm sharing with you all my bag collection. As a disclaimer, I would like to let you know that excluding one bag, the rest were all gifts from family and friends. I'm truly thankful and grateful to these wonderful gifts of love. With that being said, let's get started. Starting with the first bag, it is actually a backpack. A big red backpack. This was a gift from my mother-in-law. She bought it for me from her trip from Singapore. I love the bright red color, and it's been more than 4 years old and it's still going strong. It has a small pouch in the front and 2 side pockets. The inside has a place to have your phone and another inner zip. As you can see, it is nice and big and is generally my go-to bag when I go on trips. My second bag is this black lace material bag. It was a Christmas gift from my mother's friend. It has 2 small pouches in front and a bigger one. It also has an inner zip. It also has a small pouch to keep your phone in. It has drawstrings to keep it closed. My third backpack is this beige one. This was bought for me by my mother-in-law from her trip from Israel. It has a side zip, a smaller zip down, and a main zip here. I am just storing this vanity pouch inside this bag. Such a pretty color. This vanity pouch I bought from Max during their sale. My next bag is this pretty baby pink handbag. This was a birthday gift from my sister. It has a pouch in front, a zip inside, some card slots, and that's it. Oh, it has a zip at the back too. I liked how small and pretty it looked, and I usually take it along with me when I go to any functions. My next bag is this grey bag. This is the only bag that I bought for myself. I bought it from, if I'm not wrong, it was from Club Factory. I really like it. And this is the bag that I use for church. So it has all my church things. It has a zip inside and a slot to put your phone in. A simple grey bag. Moving on to my current bag. This is what I carry everywhere, including my office. This was a bag that was given to us by my husband's cousin on their recent visit to India from the US. It has 2 pouches in front and a main compartment here. It has a zipper here and another slot here. Finally, my newest addition, this bag was gifted to me by my mom. It has a small zip inside and another slot here. As you can see, I haven't started to use it yet. That's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.